Welcome to day 6 of SQL 50. In this video, we will be solving the problem number 1378 on LEETCODE, which is named as replace employee ID with the unique identifier. So let's read the problem statement. We have been given with two tables, one is employee and one is employee uni table. So the employee table consists the data of employees, their name and ID, where ID is the primary key for this. And in the employee uni, this ID is the foreign key which is referencing the employee table. So we have been given two tables and we need to write a solution to show the unique ID of each user. If a user does not have unique ID, replace just by showing null. So we need to return the table in any order. So let's see an example. So here is the employee table and here is the employee uni table. So what we need to do is we need to print the unique ID of each employee as well as his name. So there is Alice. He is having no unique employee ID. How to check this? So here is ID 1 Alice, and we need to check all the IDs whether they are present over here or not. So we want all the records from the left table, but the common which are in the right table. So we can use the left join. So what returns left join is left join returns all the elements from the left table and the common elements from the right table. So if we do a left join on this table based on ID, what we'll get is, so 1 and 1 is not present over here, so Alice will be assigned with null. So that is what we are assigning here. And let's find for 7. Is 7 available over here? No, 7 is not available. In 3 only 3, 11 and 90 are available. So Bob will also have null as unique ID. And 11, we will check for 11. Yes, 11 is there and the unique ID for 11 is 2. So that is what we are, so for the name Mir, 11 ID is Mayor and his unique ID is 2. So we are printing 2 is for Mayor. This is about it. And we will check for 90. Yes, 90 is available. 90 is Winston and Winston's unique ID is 3. That is what we have assigned. 3 is Winston. Now let's check for 3. ID number 3. ID number 3 is present over here and his unique ID is 1. So ID 3 is Jonathan and Jonathan's unique ID is 1. So 1 is there for Jonathan. This is how we need to result the table. So just we can use the left join. So we want select unique ID, select unique ID comma name from employees or employee. So it is employees table, employees E. Let's mark employees as E. So unique ID is name is present in employee table, so we will just do E dot name, and from employee C we will do left join on which table? Employee uni table. So we will do employee uni. This will rename as EU. On which attribute? We will do on ID. On E dot ID is EU dot ID. This is about it. So this unique ID we can do EU dot unique ID. So if we run this, let's see the output. This is the query. Taking time. Yeah, accepted. Now let's submit the code and check whether it's running as per our requirement or not. Submitted. This is the code for this question. Let's meet in the next question in day 7. Thank you.